Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Solimo Portable 12V Tyre Inflator. This is the box that it comes in. This is an Amazon brand, so it comes with standard Amazon Basics packaging. So there's nothing on top, no features, nothing is mentioned. So I'll open this box and show you what's inside. Right on top we have the instruction manual for the Solimo Tire Inflator. This comes with an analog display. There you go. This is what the analog display looks like. I'll obviously give you a closer look. Everything that you want to know, general safety instructions, how to use the appliance, care and cleaning, etc. is given in this particular document. It's an important document. You should not lose this. So let's see what's in the box. This is one. No, this is it. This is all you have inside the box. So this is the tire inflator in question, the Solimo 12V Tyre Inflator. This comes with an analog reading scale. You can see this is very old school. This button is for the LED torch over here, and this is for when you want to actually do some inflating. Also notice the Solimo logo right down over here. We have some features mentioned over here. Solimo Tire Inflator, DC 12 volt, 90 watt, 150 psi. 150 psi is the air pressure that this particular tire inflator has. Warning: allow air compressor to cool for 10 minutes after 10 minutes of continuous operation. Okay, so what else is there? It's made out of black PVC material, super solid. It's not going to break anytime soon. At the back you have two components. First is this. This is basically the air hose. So this is what you use to inflate your tires or balloons or even footballs, etc. Whatever that you want to inflate. And we also have the power cord, which is this one. It looks like a pretty long flat power cord, as you can see, almost 2.5 meter to 3 meter long. And on one end you have a 12V cigarette lighter. This is what you're going to use to power this particular device. So you can see that this is designed primarily to be used inside a car. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Solimo Portable 12V Tyre Inflator. Thank you for watching.